Hey guys, me and my cousin are going to be doing durability tests. We're going to be testing the suspension, we're going to be testing it against a wall, and we're going to be testing it, jumping it, and see, we'll be rating them out of 10, and, modern versus older ones, or other stuff. Okay, I got the Bolide, he's got a Chintella. Mine is kind of a racing version because we don't have an off-road version of this. But honestly, held up so good. Well, did hold up good until that jump right there at the end. Wait. Reset it. Do this. Oh, that's my fault, guys. Not the car. I'm bad at driving. Yeah, you can't even tell I'm on bumps right now. Pretty smooth.
Yeah, it's taking most of this stuff pretty good. Here's these bumps should be fine.
Dude, I'm doing it in reverse, Wyatt.
Yeah, you are?
Yeah, I'm too good. Even.
It was actually fine for that.
Okay, I honestly rate mine a 7 out of 10 though.
I honestly, for something that's not really supposed to off-road that well, I'll give it that.
I saw that. Plate. How did it do that?
That hit the skid plate, so it's like.
Okay, but what you rate it?
Well, it can't even go over little tiny speed bump, so maybe a 6.
A 6?
Yeah, because it doesn't have the clearance it needs.
Okay, next test.
Okay. Yeah, it's the off-road Chintella. Still doesn't have a lot of suspension, it looks like, so.
Mine is but honestly, hold up so good.
Oh, mine is fast. It just made me. I'm not gonna try to do this fast. Well, I'm gonna go fast. I'm gonna go fast, then I'm gonna go slow, then I'm gonna go fast. Just to test. Honestly, held up decent on there. Yeah, it's taking most of this stuff pretty good. Here's these bumps should be fine. Wait, you are? Here? Ooh, oh. It was actually fine for that. I, honestly, for something that's not really supposed to off-road that well, I'll give it that hit the skid plate. That hit the skid plate, so it was well, it can't even go over little tiny speed bumps, so maybe a 6. Yeah, because it doesn't have the clearance it needs.
Okay.
Now we're gonna be doing the
bridge jump. I think this one may have you on speed, maybe. Because this is a race version, kind of.
Yeah, this is an off-road version. I mean, it's still a supercar.
I still can't believe this beat in the off-road.
How fast are you going?
140 right now. I'm going 150 now. 160. I know I'm gonna make this jump, but in one piece, I don't think so. I jumped it.
Oh, this thing's way back heavy. I just did a flip.
Honestly? Wait.
Wait, actually?
Wait, hold on. Slow down. Oh yeah, mine still works perfectly fine. I basically landed it.
I'm gonna try to get back.
Honestly, I rate mine a 9 out of 10.
Honestly? Mine still runs perfectly fine.
Look at mine.
I mean, it got banged up a bit.
Mine's literally perfect condition, basically.
I didn't mean to flip.
But yeah, 9 out of 10 for me.
I would rate mine, honestly, probably an 8.5. Because it got banged up a little bit, but you definitely survived, and it still worked perfectly fine. Okay. I'm just ruining it even more. Okay, we're gonna go to the next portion.
Yep, next.
Okay, now we're gonna be doing the bridge portion. And yeah, this is an off-road version. I mean, it's still a supercar, but how fast are you going? I just hit 140. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna make the jump in one piece. Oh, this thing's way back heavy. I just did a flip. Wait, actually? Wait. I'm gonna try to get back up this. Honestly? Mine still runs perfectly fine. I mean, it got banged up a bit. I didn't mean to flip.
9 out of 10.
I would rate mine, honestly, probably an 8.5. Because it got banged up a little bit, but you definitely survived, and it still worked perfectly fine. Okay, I'm just ruining it even more. Okay, we're gonna go to the next portion.
Okay, we're slamming into a wall now. We're going at the wall at 140 miles per hour. I may have to slow down a little bit because mine can go faster, but I'm not going into the wedge part though. Oh, I'm above 140 now. Dude, I like the license plate on mine. It says 1976. Was this made in 1976? Oh. Wait. Mine does wheelies.
Mine, well, it tries to.
Mine does wheelies.
Wait, it can kind of.
Mine can reverse and it does wheelies going forward.
I mean, it can like inch slowly backwards. Very slowly.
If you were a driver though, yeah, you'd be pretty messed up. Holy cow, why am I'm literally driving, I'm driving 26 miles per hour in reverse. Well, yeah.
But, like, based on how the scene is and everything, I think it'd be fine.
Wait, I'm going 25 miles per hour in reverse. But I'll give mine a 7.
I'll give mine, like, a 6.
Wait, let me see.
It doesn't move at all. Like, I mean, it does, but barely.
Yeah, I guess. Okay, next vehicle.
Yeah, now we're doing the wall portion. Yeah. Yeah. Oh wait, can this go 140? Yeah, mine can make it to 140. Yeah. It's an old car. Oh, I don't think. Wait. Mine. Well, it tries to run. Wait, can it reverse? Wait, it can kind of reverse. I mean, it can like inch slowly backwards. Very slowly. But mine, you might have actually survived. Well, I mean, in IRL, you would have actually just flown through the windshield and died. But, like, based on how the seat is and everything, I think you'd be fine if you stayed in the seat. I'll give mine like a 6. It doesn't move at all. Like, I mean, it does, but barely.
I got the
Yeah, he's got a trophy truck.
Yeah, I got the trophy truck. He's got a hopper. Yeah. Yeah, he's got a Jeep, and I got this thing. I honestly think mine's gonna win. If I'm not a bad driver.
This is like casual versus like.
Yeah, I'm a bad driver. Okay, hold on. I say that as I'm literally flipping this thing.
You're flipping it already?
It's my fault, not the car's fault. Okay, now that I'm gonna be professional now. Yeah, see, look, I'm literally gliding. Look at the suspension work. Oh, how did it perfect? I literally hit the jump and like face first so hard, but it survived perfectly fine. I don't know how that happened. Look at this. Wait, ready? Yeah, look at that. Literally gliding over it. Nothing. Nothing. This jump? Nothing. I literally jumped over the obstacle.
This is pretty good for a daily driver. Like, I mean, it is like basically.
Oh yeah. Honestly, I rate this 10 out of 10 besides the fact that I'm a bad driver.
Yeah, I would say this is probably good. Oh, but I'd say this is probably a good 8.5. So, yeah. Okay, guys.
I got the,
Yeah, he's got a trophy truck.
yeah,
And
I got the trophy truck, he's got a
hopper.
hopper.
It's kind of just like a Jeep, except
Yeah, he's
just
got a Jeep,
called a hopper.
I got this thing. I honestly could love them.
Yeah, I mean,
If I'm not a bad driver.
this is like casual versus like your daily driver versus a competition truck. So, I mean,
I say that as I'm doing it.
you're flipping it already?
It's my fault.
Mine's fine on here. Hit the pothole. Oh, it jumped a bit on the pothole. Didn't do the best on the jump. Let me.
See, look, I'm literally blinded. Look at this. Oh.
I can't go very fast in this thing because it's just slow. Oh, it was fine there. Let's see. So, this one's pretty good. This is pretty good for a daily driver. Like, I mean, it is, like, basically a Jeep. Oh, caught a little air. Yeah, I'd say this is probably good. Oh, I flipped. That was because of me, not the vehicle. But I'd say this is probably a good 8.5. So, yeah.
Okay, we're driving. We're ramping it again. I honestly don't think his hopper's gonna make it. Mine will go like 160. It would have helped if he didn't get that weird version. Like the regular. I think I'm gonna easy gap this, but I don't think I'm gonna land it because I suck.
I don't think this thing can get over 90.
Yeah, I definitely did not land it.
Yeah, it's at 85, 86.
I don't think you can make it if you don't go over 100.
I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Wait, can I reverse? No, I literally can't move. It revs. Wait, whose tire just went? Oh.
Oh yeah, I barely even hit the like.
Yeah, so that's an automatic win for me.
Yeah, that's. I mean.
Okay. Next.
That's
Thingy.
Okay. We're
driving the bridge test, and we're.
I honestly don't think it's happening.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if mine's gonna make it because it's like really slow and pretty heavy. Well, I just got the casual version because it's supposed to be like a daily driver, so. I don't think this thing can get over 90. Yeah, it's at 85, 86. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Oh yeah. I barely even hit the like. Yeah, that's. I mean, that's a like 2 because it did horrible. We're gonna do the into the wall challenge, and we're only gonna go 80 because this thing's slow.
I'm gonna go like 120 and
Yeah, I'm just gonna. I'm literally gassing it as much as I can, and it's not even gotten up to 80 yet. Oh, it's at 80. He's already hit the wall. I'm way back here just driving. Oh, actually, I mean, obviously you would have, like, no.
I can't do it.
I can't move at all. But honestly, you probably would have been mostly fine if it weren't for, like, you would just fly out of the windshield. If
you would fly through the window, you'd be fine.
Or, like, die from seatbelt strangle. I think you'd be fine.
Yeah, I do mine.
I'll give this like a 7. Actually, no, because it can't move anymore. And we were only going 80. So, yeah, probably only like a 6, maybe a 5.5.
Okay, we're gonna have to go 80 miles per hour into the wall because his can't go over 80. So I'm gonna go like 120 and then I'm just gonna coast the rest of the time basically. Look at the fans going back here. Why does this thing need fans like that?
I'm literally gassing it as much as I can, and it's not even gotten up to 80 yet.
And Wait, you might actually win. Hold on. I mean, mine's like, wait, hold on. Let me rip this off. Oh no, the engine, yeah, the engine would have decapitated you.
Actually, I mean, obviously you would have.
Can you move?
No,
I can't move at all.
I can't move at all. But honestly, you probably would have been mostly fine if it weren't for like you would just fly out of the window.
Yeah, if you wouldn't fly through the window, you would be fine.
Or like die from seatbelt scramble. I think you'd be fine.
Yeah, I give mine a probably a 5.
I'll give this like a 7. Actually, no, because it can't move anymore. And we were only going 80.
Yeah, only 80 miles per hour.
So, yeah, probably only like a 6. Maybe a 5.5.
Okay, so you won on this one.
Okay.
That's it for this video. Peace.
That's it.